This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a really easy one where we have a oven door that won't close all the way and it won't really start because it doesn't know it's closed. So this is going to just take you a couple of minutes. You're going to put a couple of washcloths folded in each of the corners where the hinges are, and this is just to create a little bit of a spacer. And then you're going to close the door, and it won't close all the way because these washcloths are in the way, so you're going to apply a little bit of inward force, kind of pulse it back and forth, and then pull them away and close the door and see if it's any better. If it's not, you can fold them to be a little bit thicker, so they're creating more of a gap or more of a fulcrum. And then we're going to close it again, give it the inward pressure, kind of pulse it back and forth, and there we go. That fixed it. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.